Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Mike P, multi-million-dollar real estate investor. Today, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to, in 7 steps, how to wholesale real estate the easy, quick way to get started. This is going to be the basics, the bare minimum, okay? Look, number one, I'm going to get straight into it. Number one, out of the 7 steps, first thing you guys want to do, number one, market research. First thing you want to do is market research. What's market research going to be like? It's going to be like finding the area that you actually want to wholesale in. Your first area, the first streets that you want to go and actually look at to see if they're going to be profitable wholesale deals or not. And so you want to select your area. You want to get your market research down, select your area and select the properties that you're thinking about targeting in what side of town, what area. That's the first thing you want to do is figure out, where the deals are going to be at in this town. Where the deals going to be at. What are the deals? Look, number two, after you go out and you do the market research, you find your area. Now you're going to go driving for dollars for your market research. You're basically driving for dollars, okay? For your market research as well. First, you're getting online and doing market research. Where are these houses going to be at? Now you're going on to get on the ground and figure out, okay, let's go see if we can get a deal on these houses, right? You go down, you get on the ground. Number two, you want to find motivated sellers, okay? Find motivated sellers. So when you drive for dollars, these two are going together. Because when you go drive for dollars, you're going to find motivated sellers. You're going to go knock on doors, okay? You're going to go, after all this research you've done, now you know your area. So now you just want to go find the deals. You want to go find the area exactly that you want to be in, okay? And you want to go find motivated sellers. Now there's other ways to find, motivated sellers other than just doing it via on the ground. You can do it via the internet, with software. But we're talking about right now ways to do it for free. So for nothing and just to get started, right? That's what we're talking about. This half the battle is to get started, guys. You got to get started somewhere. You got to get going somewhere. You got to take the first step sometime. You got to make a play, baby. Okay? Come on. Let's go. Number 3, you're going to negotiate and secure a contract. Once you go down there and you find out, you drive for dollars, you find the house, you find the person, and now you're gonna try to figure out price. You've done your research, you know about what price you need to buy it at. Now you need to talk to the seller and see if you can get this deal locked up. Start negotiating the contract, okay? Number 4, you need to build relationships. While you're doing all this, you need to build relationships. This is in no particular order for this one, because you can build relationships anytime. And you want to build relationships because it's going to tell you in number 5, when we get to number 5, it's going to basically, number 4 is going to help you because you're going to need to build the relationships to get to number 5, okay? Let's get straight to number 5. Number 5 is market to buyers. Market it to buyers. After you get it under contract and you've already got it, you got your deal under contract, you got it from the person, you secured the contract, you're building relationships around town with buyers and sellers, basically. Now you need to market the deal that you got under contract. You need to market it to buyers so you can wholesale it off now, okay? Now, number 6, you're going to need to assign the contract. Once you do that, you're going to assign the contract to the buyer. Once you assign that contract to the buyer, hey, look, it's 7 quick deals. What is time to do now? Guess. It's time to close the deal up. You close the deal up just like that. 7 quick steps to get started in wholesaling real estate with no problem. Hey, man, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, holler at me. Man, I'm going to have some mentorship coming out on the school pretty soon. Let's get this shit rolling, up and running. Get at me later, guys.